is the video of the 3 hacks with 2 dogs. I'm a housewife in training, so do not take all of this too seriously. Hi, big puppy. Come up here. Come on. Come on. This is Reese. Here to remind you, adopt, don't shock. So I just wanted to show you a few things. And this is Nakona. Hi, baby girl. I'm clearly a dog mom and not a real mom. However, if you do have kids, these are some hacks that will simplify your life. Okay, you do not need to do this every time I try to film. Hey, hey, hey. The first one is for pet hair, female hair, dust, couches, rugs, carpet. I don't recommend you use this on your clothes. I mean, it won't, I guess denim is probably safe, but I'd be careful on, you know, thinner fabrics. This is why I need an office, because I don't get anything done around here. This is why we can't have nice things. There are 3 things I think every home should have, whether you're a female or a male, or just want to simplify your life. I am in love with Pumice Stones for a few reasons. This one, made in the USA, and like I said, I think it was like $15. Everything I show you will be in the description below. Everything that I'm going to show you, I do believe, is under $30. The 2 Pumice Stones that I'm going to show you, this one and another one, will simplify your life and make everything easier. Get one of these. These are amazing. If you have a dog, any type of dog, a cat, get a Pumice Stone. I think these are made in Wisconsin. I will show you how all of these work and use the links below to purchase. I just used the Pumice Stone the other day. So this is probably, I don't know, 2 days of dog fur on this. I'm gonna show you how good this thing works. This, I think, was $15, I think, with shipping off Amazon. As you can see, there's a little bit of hair kind of clung to it, and that's what this will do. You'd be surprised that this Pumice Stone will not wreck furniture. I've had this couch for several years. She's had this couch for several years, and I absolutely swear by this Pumice Stone. This is the second Pumice Stone that you need in your life. You need it in your house, and here's why. It's like so gross. This fabric is a woven fabric. It obviously is not even wrecking the fabric. I was a little hesitant to use it at first because I thought it would wreck my couch. Look at the amount of dog hair that's coming off this. My husband likes to vacuum it, and I've been doing this after he vacuums because the vacuum does not take all the hair up. This works better than a vacuum on furniture. That is how much hair I just got off. Just the chaise. And that is with a Siberian Husky, a very itchy dog with allergies. And a cat. This thing is amazing. The hair actually clings to it. So kind of just scoop it on up. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, but you'll see it sticks to it. And then I just go and throw the hair away. The Pumice Stone is amazing for cleaning furniture, rugs, carpet, and it's a good workout, under $15. It works amazing. And if you have dogs, you have to have one of these. Can you get down, please? Get down. Thank you. And fur from the Kona perch. This is my little mountain lion. Are you my little mountain lion, huh? My little coyote. You a good girl? Do you want to go bye-bye? So good. This couch is absolutely massive. And so is the amount of dog hair that can go on it. Literally is better than a vacuum. And we run that thing several times a day. The next item is a scouring stick. I was a little hesitant to use this because unlike this one, I knew that it didn't scratch furniture, but I was a little worried that this would scratch the new toilets or the sinks in our house. But I really trusted the labeling on the box, and so I went to town. Shout out to my friend Shannon for introducing me to this. We went to the dollar store when I moved out of my last apartment, and these were like $1 or something, super cheap. So I stocked up on them because obviously when you use them, they get smaller. Go to the dollar store. If this is on Amazon, I will link the description below, but otherwise go to the dollar store. This thing will take the darkest rings out of your toilet, your sink. I've never seen something that cleans as well as this. I am not really sure what this thing is made out of. It's non-toxic, 75 years in the making. You do have to be careful to use it on certain stuff. There is a disclaimer below, so just if you have any of those things on there, obviously read the box, you don't wreck stuff. I am not responsible for any damages. But this thing literally will take off like rust, scum, liming, algae, anything that goops up on your toilets or your sinks. I am very cautious about the products that I use in my environment, in my home, and how they affect our earth. So I do like this. Basically, wet it and use it. Super easy. Test a small area before you use it. Test a small area before you use it. Both of these are so amazing. Get them in your home. They're under $15. next item. Irons are so 1950. Get a steamer. After working in fashion for several years, nothing drives me more crazy than walking around the city or the airports or a restaurant and seeing people with wrinkly clothes. Steamers take up no room. This one heats up in literally 10 seconds. The moment I plug it in and turn it on, it heats up. You fill it with water, super easy. I cannot stress enough. Every man and woman needs to own a steamer. Take the time to prep your clothes before you leave the house. Thank me later. There's nothing worse than having wrinkly clothing. I also travel with a steamer. If I do check my bag, I pack this one. Otherwise, there are little travel steamers. I think it's called the mini steamer. I had one and I blew it up in Sweden because I kind of put real water in it. So you really should not use tap water for these. You're really supposed to use distilled water, but I don't really have time for that. So I figure if I get a couple years out of a $30 purchase, I got my money's worth. Okay, I'm kidding. I do still have this, but I broke it. This is my little steamer mini traveler, the Go Mini. As you can see, I have caked it with tap water. And it literally explodes up the top. So get yourself one of these if you want to travel. TSA will not take it. They just work really good. Steam your clothes. Then you don't have to have a big bulky iron and an ironing board stored somewhere. So these 3 hacks are all you need. I highly suggest that you get these in your house. Your guest room is a great place for a steamer, your bathroom, and your suitcase. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of videos from our home, comment below. Tell me what you want to see, what you want to hear. I like how they're sitting outside barking at me through the glass door. Did you move in, Frank? That's Frank. Here are the kids. They are really cute. This is so bad. This is why I'm not a real mom. Welcome to our home. These are videos from a playlist. There is a lot more to come. We moved in about 5 months ago, so we're still in the process of like decorating our house. And as a woman and a housewife in the making, I really hate cleaning. But these little things will help make your life so much easier. Cleaning, prepping, steam does help to sanitize your clothes. Obviously, you should still wash them, but I do like to steam my jeans every once in a while because I try not to wash them every time I wear them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video and you think I'm awesome, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and get cleaning.